In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called My Files. It should be in Samsung folder. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on Allow in the pop-up and select Downloads under Videos. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!